Hey Saab people, so your vent fell apart. I'm going to show you how to put it back together. I was doing an install for another job and it completely fell apart. First things first, make sure you have all your pieces. The most important and hardest to find being this little rod right here. This acts as a spring which holds everything together and makes it work. You need the little plastic bar, you need this, and you should have 4 plates, one of which has a tongue sticking out. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You'll also need, of course, your front and your back of the shell. So let's go ahead and start reassembling this. Go ahead and throw this down. Take the little steel spring rod and put it between these 2 grooves right here. Then figure out which way this goes. There's going to be a side with a wider port and a more thin port, so make sure you're putting that in correctly. Wider port on this side, thinner port on this side, just like this. And it's going to sit down with the groove side going inward on the left. We're going to take this piece here. You're going to notice that this section has a bit more thin grooves and this section has thicker grooves. You take the thicker groove, you're going to set it right here like that. Then you take these, get them all lined up. Going to set the grooved part right there into those teeth right here like this. If I can get it on there. And then with hopes and dreams, you're going to hope that that stays still on there, just like this. Make sure that just stays right there. You want to keep them all uniform if you can. This is really tricky, trying to do this one-handed. Take your knob right here, and you are going to set this knob. You can see it's got a cross section in it. You're going to want that to go around T right here that has smooth side and a square side right there. Technically from factory, you can see there's an opening, big opening on the bottom side and a very small opening on the top side. So leave the small opening top side, large opening goes bottom side. Make sure you've got that turned correctly. Then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna have to kind of use a side view here. You're gonna have to look underneath and from up top at the same time. Make sure that you are setting that over correctly and make sure that you are lining all of your clips up front and side just like that. Wow, I just did that one-handed. When you're putting this back together, take note of all of your clip placements. So there should be a clip here that goes inside of here, and there should be 2 clips on this side, 1 on the bottom, and this fits inside of the cover. So it'll look something like this. So it'll look like that on this side, and all your clips are fitted in all the way around. And as you can see, the vent works perfectly. And lastly, go ahead and attach the arm. Just like that. Hope I got that on video. And now when we roll this up, you can see it's open, and we roll this down, it closes so we can't see through it. That is how you rebuild your vent. How's that for a video under 5 minutes?